Notice how one brilliant mind can sometimes disrupt the entire team's flow? Hi, I'm Dr. Katrina, specializing in turning high-performing friction into high-performing function. Think of a powerful race car engine in a regular car frame. Amazing power, but it rattles the whole structure. You need the power, but you need to manage the vibration. Address disruptive behavior without stifling the brilliance. Acknowledge their value. Pinpoint specific disruptive actions. Assess the real impact on the team's results. Want to harness power smoothly? Let's talk. Visit excellentexecutivecoaching.com and I'll see you on the other side.